All right, so you think you know the animal kingdom? Well, today we're going to dig into 10 facts that are so surprising, they might just change the way you see the entire world around you.
So let's just jump right in with a question. I want you to picture the fastest human alive. You know, an Olympic champion in their prime. Now picture your average everyday house cat. In a flat-out sprint, who wins?
Believe it or not, it's the house cat. And it's not even close. Usain Bolt's world record speed is just under 45 kilometers per hour. But your average house cat, it can hit speeds of 48. It's just a stunning reminder of the hidden power in the animals we literally live with every single day.
And that incredible speed is just the beginning. Let's get into some other hidden superpowers that are hiding right out in the open.
We all know tigers are powerful, but this is something else entirely. Their leg muscles are so strong that they can actually remain standing even after they die. Just think about that. It's a testament to the sheer raw power packed into their bodies.
So, from brute strength to extreme survival. Flamingos might look all delicate and elegant, but they are incredibly tough. Get this, they can drink water that is near boiling hot, straight from geysers and hot springs. It's all thanks to these unique adaptations in their mouths and throats that protect them from the heat. It's just a remarkable example of evolution at its most extreme.
So, we've seen these incredible physical abilities, but what's going on inside? Let's explore the complex and often pretty surprising social worlds that animals have.
This one might change how you see a field of cows forever. They aren't just a faceless herd, they're actually a community of individuals. Research has shown that cows form deep emotional bonds, and they literally have best friends within their group. And when they're separated from that friend, their heart rates go up, and they show clear signs of stress and anxiety.
And speaking of anxiety, let's look at the fastest land animal on Earth. You'd think a cheetah would be brimming with confidence, right? But they're actually surprisingly shy and timid. They can get so stressed out in captivity that it really affects their health. So what's the solution? Zoos figured out they can pair them with a calm, social support dog. The dog's steady presence actually helps the cheetah feel safe and secure.
So, we go from deep friendship to this. In a bizarre twist of animal behavior, scientists have actually seen octopuses punching fish. Sometimes it's over food, but other times it appears to be for no reason at all. It's just a hilarious and strange reminder that we still have so much to learn about the social dynamics of the ocean. Okay, now let's explore some surprising connections across time. We're about to see how modern animals are linked to each other and even to the very distant past, in ways you might never expect. This might sound like science fiction, but it's a real medical procedure. A pig's heart is so similar to our own that it can be transplanted into a human, a procedure with the potential to save countless lives. It's a pretty profound testament to our shared evolutionary history.
Now let's stretch that connection way, way back in time. 66 million years ago, Tyrannosaurus rex was the undisputed king of the dinosaurs. But its lineage didn't just end there. So, who do you think is its closest living relative today?
Believe it or not, it's the chicken. Yep, the chicken. Through protein analysis of actual T-Rex fossils, scientists confirmed that the humble chicken is the closest living relative to the king of the dinosaurs. It definitely makes you look at them a little differently, doesn't it?
Finally, let's look at a couple of just charming quirks from the animal kingdom before we wrap things up with one last thought. First up, the panda. For an animal that's so focused on eating bamboo, they have a very, very relaxed approach to sleep. They don't have a den or a special resting place. When a panda feels tired, it just stops and falls asleep right on the spot. It's a simple and honestly pretty charming quirk. And our final fact is about something we do without thinking, swallowing. But for many birds, it's not that simple. They actually need to use gravity to get their food down, which is why you'll often see them tilting their heads back. It's a small, elegant solution to a basic biological need, and just a perfect example of nature's ingenuity.
So, from cats faster than Olympians, to cows with best friends, from tigers that defy death to chickens with a prehistoric legacy, these facts show us a world that is far more complex and wonderful than we often imagine. So what do these incredible little glimpses into the animal kingdom really teach us about the interconnectedness of all life on Earth?